This is Myckey. We're continuing with the point of the soul construct design in relation to the chakra system design. Now, the soul construct was manifested within the solar plexus. I have touched on it lightly within the previous interviews we have done as we've moved along, that the soul construct was actually in essence a recording device that was literally saving and storing information and experiences of the entirety of yourself as and through the mind consciousness system while you participated in this reality through your lifetime. And the solar plexus chakra, what I mean by they is the creators, designers, which is primarily Anu, and the beings that was in his service, transformed the chakra, the solar plexus chakra. Firstly, when us demons designed it, it basically captured in all the emotional and feeling energy. It was actually this whole containment of various different colorings. They're quite fascinating. So basically it was our cocktail mix of energy, so to speak, which we sucked out for ourselves to be able to sustain our existence in the dimensions. Basically what they did is they transformed the solar plexus chakra to within the containment. The moment the emotional and feeling energy is contained, meaning literally sucked into itself, it is purified to manifest as this very pure, clear energy. And then it was from there channeled into the soul construct design, which was also around circular structure, and that was then to continue the energizing and the powering and the generating of the soul construct. So basically the soul construct actually looked like this ball of light that was beating literally according to the heartbeat. So it was the heartbeat of the system, of the mind consciousness system, so to speak. And that was to continue the sustaining of the soul construct, to continue its functionality of storing and saving data and information of the being's life experience. So that when the being die and they cross over into the dimensional existence, what would happen is this soul construct manifestation would literally be taken out, be removed, and would then be stored in the Akashic records. Because what they do is they'd either use that soul construct manifestation that had all the data and data that was recorded to design that same being's next life, meaning design that same being's next mind consciousness system to fit into their life to which they will be recycled into, or it would be used for a different being, and they take that being into another life experience through designing a mind consciousness system according to what was recorded within the soul construct design. That was the primary function of the soul construct manifestation. Now what I've explained with regards to the chakra system and the soul construct design was the actual true manifested nature of its very existence. And whatever being's current experience is towards the soul and towards the chakra system as what you understand, that whole experience, that whole understanding, that whole perception that you have towards the soul construct design and the chakra system design is a, let's call it is existent within a mind dimensional pocket that is connected to the design. So what happens is you're not actually experiencing the actual true nature of the design of the chakra system or the soul construct. What you're experiencing is the created projection thereof within your own mind dimension, within which exists the pre-programmed manifestation of what they wanted human beings to believe the chakra system and the soul construct is. So that through that human beings are continued within the enslavement of the mind, of the soul construct and the chakra system design through the mind consciousness system. So basically, human beings never really actually experienced the chakra system or the soul construct. You've only existed within the projection thereof, wherein that very projection was transformed or created as a perception or belief of the actual manifestation as the chakra system and the soul construct design. So basically, let's say that here in your mind there was two dimensions created. This one dimension was what was programmed within the mind consciousness system for you to believe what the soul construct is. And in this one was created and designed and manifested, programmed, designed what was wanted you to believe of the chakra system design. So in these two dimensions you were locked into. You were basically existing here and not actually here within and as the physical, where the chakra system and the soul construct is actually manifested and situated. So beings have always actually only existed here, never actually really manifest here. And these two mind dimensions that was placed within the mind consciousness system, only within the head region, was connected with literal connectors to the chakra system and the soul construct, so as to be able to form a projection of the actual design that was placed within the physical, and then create the projection of the design within the physical, within the mind, and then the being was basically locked into the mind, wherein they'd experienced their belief or perception that was programmed to believe and to perceive of the chakra system and the soul construct. Right, within the next interview I will discuss what the implosion of all the chakras actually mean when one manifests into a ball of light, and what the role of the soul construct was within that in relation to astral projection and out-of-body experiences. Okay, thanks.